Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Cato Networks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Cato Networks and press enter. On the home page, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to initiate the account creation process. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and company information. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Cato Networks. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Cato Networks homepage. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features displayed on the dashboard. To connect a new network, look for the Network tab in the menu. Click on the Add Network option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details about your network. You may need to specify information such as the type of network and its location. Once all information is entered, click on the Save or Connect button. To configure security settings, navigate to the Security tab. Set up firewalls, VPNs, and other security protocols as needed. Review your configurations to ensure everything is set up properly. Finally, monitor the dashboard for connection status and performance metrics. You are now connected with Cato Networks and ready to manage your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.